Hey guys, lately I've been craving for some Malaysian food. And you know what keeps popping into my mind? Crispy rendang chicken. Crispy rendang chicken is a very traditional dish in Southeast Asia, and I've been eating it as a child. This dish was created by the natives of Southeast Asia, the Orang Asli, which translates to naked man. The chicken rendang dish in the past was not crispy at all. It wasn't until our colonial masters came along and they said chicken rendang is supposed to be crispy. And that was how the crispy chicken rendang was born. So welcome back to Leftover guys, and just like everything on this show, we're going to add our special twist on it. Today we're going to make some crispy rendang popcorn chicken. Let's experiment and let's get ready to cook. So very simple how to make the rendang paste. First we're going to get some cloves of garlic in there, your shallots in there. Usually we'll use a pestle or mortar, but we're feeling lazy today. Lots of chilies, probably 3 to 4 chilies, big chilies. Alright, next we've got turmeric, fresh turmeric pieces, galangal, blue ginger. We've got lemongrass. Get the white parts of the lemongrass in, and then we're gonna add some water in there. Right now we got our delicious rendang paste over here. It smells awesome. We're gonna fry it up. It's Orang Asli juice, man. Orang Asli juice. Naked man juice. Next, cut up your chicken into small, bite-sized pieces. Next, we're gonna season it with salt and pepper, just like how our colonial masters did it. So our awesome rendang sauce has reduced. We're gonna get it into a small bowl. Next, with the rendang sauce and the chicken, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna marinate the awesome chicken in the sauce. So get some flour into there with some baking soda. What you're gonna do, you're gonna get that into the egg, get some beautiful flour on it. Alright, we got our temperature going for the cooking oil, and we're gonna fry it. Well, if you think that this is the finished product, that's where you're very wrong. Leftover guys, we're gonna take it to the next level. We're gonna double fry it with panko crumbs. So what is rendang without coconut milk? We're gonna add this coconut milk into our rendang mixture. We're gonna put some beaten egg in it, and then we're gonna double coat it with panko crumbs the traditional way, and then we're gonna deep fry it. This is already crispy. We're gonna batter it again with that rendang mixture. We're gonna panko crumb it, and this is going into the fryer again. So we have here some very traditional crispy rendang popcorn chicken. So I'm gonna take a bite. I'm gonna let you guys hear the sound of how crispy it is. Alright, I'm gonna take a bite. Look at that. This brings back so much memories, man. Hanging out with the naked man, the Orang Asli, brings back so much childhood memories. This is seriously rendang, man. So there you guys have it, a very traditional, crispy rendang popcorn chicken that you can only find in Southeast Asia. If you guys like the video, do remember to subscribe, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you guys real soon for more Leftover Guys action.